about to launch the boat here, and it's looking pretty nasty. Let's see. Little bit of debris, a couple of logs. Lovely. We're at the log sort here in Sayward. We're going to have to maneuver around all these log booms here. Stopped here for a bit to try a little halibut fishing. Never know. Oh, lingcod. Well, we might get a halibut. Never know. How'd you pick out that lure? What is that one? Does it glow in the dark?
Yeah.
Have you guys caught anything on that one before?
Oh yeah. Lingcod.
Looks like something took a chunk out of it.
There's not that much bite marks on it, but yes.
That ones last longer than your red ones. They seem to bite the ends off them.
Yeah, we've had cut off like 5 of them like that.
Really? Oh, is that the lucky one?
No, we haven't ever caught on it, but we haven't ever used it.
Oh, are we going to use it today?
Yeah. We can't, well, are we? I'm not sure. He's really light, so we couldn't use him in clutch, you know.
Fishing at 115 here, Windy Point, Johnstone Strait. Hoping to catch some lingcod.
Lose it?
Nope.
Oh my gosh, we have a fish on already. Just check it out.
No, I lost him.
What?
I can see bottom.
So can I.
What a wall. That's a lingcod wall, eh?
And says not 85 feet. Yeah, I see.
Woohoo! This is so beautiful.
cool.
I know.
And we're fishing. There's some fish jumping right there.
Looks like there's some bones down there.
What do you see him? 75 feet. Oh, 50, 60.
We're getting a little close up here at our bow. So beautiful.
Isn't that cool?
This is so cool. Oh, those are like sea anemones under the water. So cool. Whoa, you should. Look at how many there are! Look at them all! Oh my god! Woohoo! Woo! Oh my gosh, that is so cool. So cool. He's got one! He's got one! Woohoo! Jump, little fishy, jump. Oh, they're not going for it. They're not going for it. Oh, no, wait till they approach. Super cool. It's like we're at the aquarium. Check out that barge. It's got a few $1 million worth of boats on top of it. Yeah, what is that thing? That's some sort of Arctic cat thing. Yeah. Whoa. Super cool.
Oh, they're tied down on their snapper, so we got one hanging over.
Oh my god.
Fit them in.
That is crazy. There's a couple ones that look like brand new on there. Woohoo! We should be pirates. You know, we never bring the kayaks when we need them. Look at how beautiful this is. Well, here we are at Boogie Bay. You can see some grizzly bears sometimes here eating salmon. So we just set the crab traps down, and now we're just gonna do a little exploring closer to the beach. Again, I wish we brought the kayaks, but we didn't. Maybe we'll spot a grizzly bear. Look at that little shack. If we had the kayaks, we could have went and checked it out. So there was houses like all along here?
Yeah, little camp houses.
Pretty cool. Dolphins! Look at them. Just seen a bear over here. I think it's a black bear. See if we can get close enough. He's eating all the crabs. It's a little black bear. Oh, that's so cool. He's just a little guy. Well, we managed to get one crab. Oh well, better than nothing. Check this place out. Super cool. Looks like some First Nations, maybe a sweat lodge or some sort of kayakers accommodation. Again, if we had our kayaks, we could go to shore. Nice sandy bottom here, though.
I'll have to check about what.
The water's super clear here. Nice sandy bottom.
It's actually filming. Can I cast?
I don't know if you want to catch in the weeds.
What? High class?
Yeah.
Another super sweet spot.
Nice waterfall.
Like, why did we bring the kayaks?
Why didn't we? Yeah.
No. Oh, slow. Shallow. Oh, that is beautiful. This would be a good alone spot. Lots of water.
Clean water.
Lots of clean water.
Nice dip.
What a beautiful beach. Look at that waterfall. Holy. It is gushing. Woohoo! If it was August, I might consider going under that. Pretty sweet.